Zoho Sites provides three primary methods for embedding HTML code into your website. Each method serves different purposes and offers specific advantages for customization. The custom HTML widget allows you to add code blocks directly to individual pages. Site-wide injection lets you add code to all pages through headers and footers. Embed codes enable integration of external content like videos and social media feeds. The custom HTML widget is the primary method for embedding code. Access it through the page editor by clicking Add Element, then More, and finally Custom HTML. This widget supports HTML5 markup, CSS3 styling, and JavaScript code blocks, making it versatile for various customization needs. Site-wide code injection allows you to add code that affects all pages. Access this through Site Settings, then SEO and Social, and finally Custom Code. Use header code for meta tags, analytics scripts, and CSS style sheets. Footer code is ideal for JavaScript libraries, tracking codes, and performance scripts. Embed codes allow integration of external content through iframes, JavaScript widgets, and HTML snippets. This method is perfect for YouTube videos, Google Maps, social media feeds, and contact forms. Follow these best practices. Always test your code in preview mode. Ensure mobile responsiveness, optimize for fast loading, and validate your HTML and CSS before implementation. When implementing custom code in Zoho sites, there are essential technical considerations and exciting future developments to understand. First, let's examine the key technical requirements. Responsive design is crucial. Always use percentage-based widths to ensure your custom widgets work seamlessly across all devices. This layout example shows how percentage-based widths create flexible designs that adapt to different screen sizes automatically. Zoho Sites supports modern web technologies including HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript ES5 and ES6. You can also leverage CDN links for popular libraries. Keep in mind the platform limitations. Custom code blocks are limited to 10 kilobytes per widget, and only client-side code execution is supported for security reasons. Looking ahead, Zoho Sites is embracing several exciting trends that will transform how we build and integrate custom functionality. The API-first approach is becoming central to modern web development, enabling seamless integration with external services and dynamic content delivery. Emerging trends include no-code and low-code integration tools, AI-powered code assistance, and an upcoming widget marketplace for pre-built components. These developments will make custom code integration more accessible, powerful, and user-friendly, opening new possibilities for creating dynamic, interactive websites.